and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting a power hour for the first time here on my channel. I have been putting things off till the next day or the next day, or I've just been getting distracted in the middle of doing something that I need to be doing. So I figured if I film a power hour, it'll force me to get it done. So you guys are going to come along with me. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing it right, but we'll see. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, you guys, I already feel out of breath at this point. Ever since I pushed start on the timer, I feel like I have to rush, and I feel like I'm like holding my breath for this power hour. I don't know why. Maybe because I feel like it's about to go off any minute, even though I just pushed start. I'm just folding all of my pool and beach towels that we've been using. These things have been washed and dried for a few days now, and I'm just now getting to them. So I need to fold these and put them away so I can start on my next load. So when I'm folding laundry, I usually like to tackle everything that needs to be folded first, and then I throw everything in the basket that needs to be hung, and then I put all of my folded stuff away, and then I go back and hang up everything left in the basket, because that's usually things that need hangers. So I feel like that makes it go by faster for some reason. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm doing now, and then I'm going to move on to my kids' closet. So one of the things on my list was to clean out the tub that my kids always take a bath in, then wash and disinfect their bathtub toys. So I'm just going to clean it out really quick, add hot water to the tub and just like a tiny bit of bleach, and then throw all of their bath toys in.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before.
Before I clean my floors, I decided to add dishes to my list. I have some dishes in the sink that need to go in the dishwasher, and also ones that I need to wash by hand. So I'm just going to tackle that really quick before I start on the floors.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chance. I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Okay, so I pretty much did what I wanted to do in the kitchen. This dish soap is the bomb. It is so bubbly and it smells so good. And I started the dishwasher, straightened up this area. Finally got to clean these floors. This area is always a mess. So I'm glad we got that done. All right, so I did quickly straighten up this area right here. Seeing that I wiped the table off really quick, and then I watered bonsai plant. I got this from IKEA. I love it. So you guys see me put some of the kids' laundry in the washing machine, and now it's done. At least it's in there and it's washed. So after this video, I'm just gonna throw it in the dryer really quick. Did a little straightening up. I made my bed, which always makes a huge difference, and I vacuumed. Okay guys, so I am done with my hour, and I am so excited because I got everything done off my list. I am definitely going to be adding power hours to my channel from now on because it really challenges me to stick to a list and get it done so I can finally relax. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.